All internals.
Holding all these up inside there.
Yeah.
This is what sits up inside there. This is a conductive washer. It's made of metallic material. This is how the RTD transfers its electronics to the shaft here.
This is the negative part of electricity.
What it's doing is it's conducting electricity around the shaft here, because the shaft's made of stainless steel, into this conductive washer, transferring into here, and it's allowing the circuit to be completed.
The zero
That's
line.
what it is. This is spinning. The only way to cause it to spin up inside here is called a slip ring. I'm going to pull the top of this off so you guys can understand what that process is if you don't understand it yet. And it's a slip ring, and what it does, it allows this to have a wire attached to the top of it, because there's two wires running down inside here to an RTD, and it's positive and negative. Power has to flow through. So what it's doing is it's going through this RTD and coming back up, and the only way to conduct it is from the internal, goes into a slip ring, which has a set of brushes in it, so it conducts power into this, and coming back out, it goes to the outside of the assembly and through this conductive washer, grounds it back out to this.
If
So
you
it
have
completes the
unstable
circuit.
reading, so one of the reasons
One of these could be bad. That's going to be one of the reasons that's causing it. And these sit, and this is the setup that it gets set up here, so if you want to take a picture of that right there. But it's the flat washer, the rubber washer, the flat washer, the rubber washer, and the flat
Yes.
washer. That's made of
Sandwich.
Teflon, huh?
Sandwich.
Yeah. And then the conductor washer goes on top of it, and it goes back up inside there. And the retaining ring is what holds it up inside there. Now typically, you don't have to have this. I use that also to put these back up inside there, because to get these inside there, it's kind of a pain. So we'll put that one up there, and what I'll do is I'll do one at a time. This works really good at pushing it back up inside there.
Did you go?
Yeah.
Yes. No, it's not going up there. I don't know why. Nah. Get it off. There we go. I just got it off of this here right here, so I don't have to worry about it. It's not going to come all the way back down again. Gonna make me go get a new one. I'm going to chew this one all up. There we go. Now that they're all up inside there, and they're, aha. And as he said before, see all the pliers? Grab the holes. You can make them smaller.
Okay.
That's how the rest of the retaining ring goes up inside there. And I'm going to make sure it snaps into place. Should be fine.
Okay.
Oh, getting it off kilter here. Can make me take this thing apart again. Let me take this off.
I think that conductive one
So-
get crooked inside.
It's grabbing it. Why is that not wanting to come off now?
Try the opposite way, see, from underneath. Just to
I'm gonna have to
make it
look up inside of it.
I sometimes do this.
Just want to make sure it's fine up inside there.
Maybe put some
Lube on it?
lube, yeah, so might be, yeah,
Or with hand.
put
Not
some
gonna do
grease.
Not the grease. I don't know what's it's hitting on something. I can feel it. Let me pull it back out again.
It could be only that conductive was. See, it goes through.
There we go.
And put, where is that vacuum grease? Put some vacuum grease.
To do all adjustments now.
It goes.
Not going in. Interesting.
It's like the first time, huh?
It'll go. It'll go through the exact.
Where do you have vacuum
It'll go
grease?
this way.
Why do you have vacuum grease? Where is it?
It'll go this way. It's hitting.
There is some this plastic shim or something.
Well, these are different than normally that's on there. This must be an engineering thing, and they've got these labeled, so I'm sure they're doing some kind of an experiment and test.
Don't use force, you can break it.
So what's this mesh?
For one wire goes on the ground.
They're hitting on something in there. I don't know what that is. Where is it?
Two wires.
Here we have two wires.
But this one goes on the outside of the shaft. It goes through the shaft, you know, like minus polarity goes on the shaft itself,
Okay.
and the other one goes on the sensor.
So the middle one of this is one and this is the second one. Why is the
Yeah.
another?
Why is this mesh inside?
For conducting the
Not wet
the
inside?
circuit.
Well, again, the white wire goes into the top of this, and that's transferred to the center of this right here. And the center of that goes into this here. And that goes down into the RTD, and the RTD comes back out to the outside of this, the polarity. So it's flowing through, electricity coming back out, and it's picked up by the conductive washer, which is picked up, this is all grounded. So this is to the outside. So again, this goes to the common ground. The way this works here, this is a slip ring. The only way you have to have wires connected to this. The only way to get a wire connected to something that's spinning is via the slip ring. And what the slip ring does, I'll show you up here.
Jesi razumio?
Inside of there,
Jedna ide unutra kroz šav na sensor,
Da,
I poslije
vanja
spojeno.
treba na vanju staviti.
pošto je spojeno izvana.
Creo que tiene un contacto frío y un ring por la parte de afuera, creo que es. O sea que básicamente los cables por dentro están fijos al tubo. Hay contacto.